Hi guys, it's Steeljan at steeljan.com, and if your Zi6 has a broken LCD screen like mine does, I'm going to show you how to fix it for under 10 bucks. Here's the camera that's got the broken LCD screen. And I'll put it on macro mode so you can see the broken LCD. Clearly broken. And here's the one that I got off eBay for $5 that simply doesn't work. But the LCD screen is not broken. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is shut it back off and remove the batteries. We want to make sure the batteries are out of both cameras. The next thing we're going to do is take this one apart. We want to make sure there's no SD card in it, which there's not. And now we want to start removing the screws. I'm going to show you in macro where we're going to remove these screws. We're going to take the screw out of here, here. There's a screw beneath this label, which write down your serial number of your camera because you're going to want to break it open or try to peel this sticker off to get to a screw there. There. And then if you come over here beneath the battery compartment, there is a screw here and here. So we're going to remove all those screws now. So I'm going to start removing these screws and make sure that I save them off, because we're going to need to put the camera back together. So that's all I'm going to do is go around the camera now and remove those screws, all the screws surrounding the camera. I've removed all the screws, and then it takes a little bit of doing sometime, but then you just finagle it apart like this. Now you've got the two pieces. And there's the screen we want to change out, the broken LCD. So here's the LCD. And to get it loose, you just pry it off the front. It's just in there with some little clips. It's held on with this little ribbon cable going to this connector. So we just take our fingernails, if you've got good enough fingernails, or your little screwdriver, pry down these two side latches of that, like that, and this will slide out. So now that we have that one apart and the LCD out, we're going to take the broken camera apart. So now I've pried apart the pink one, and I've removed its LCD screen the same way I did the other one. Fold it down, pull the latches, remove the LCD. Now to put the LCD that is not broken into our camera we're fixing, you slide the ribbon cable over the black strip and slide it in. Gently, 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 wiggling it back and forth till you get the ribbon cable in there good and solid. Once you've got it in there good and solid, you push up on the black tabs the way you pulled down on them before. Now you push up to lock the ribbon cable in place. And then just flip it over and click it in the holder. So now putting it back together is just the reverse of what we did before. We're going to snap on the top cover like this. I wanted to make sure, well, that's all right. Slap on the back cover. I wanted to make sure that didn't have any dirt or anything on the inside, but it doesn't. Now I'm just going to put the screws back in the same place I took them out. So now if I put my batteries back in my camera, I'm using nickel metal hydride rechargeable batteries in this camera. They work so much better than the regular AA's. My camera should be working. And oops, let me put you on macro. And there we have it. My camera's now as good as new with a brand new LCD screen in it. And so, for the price of a broken camera from eBay, which was about $5, about $3 for shipping, and about 5 minutes of my time. My Zi6 is now as good as new. I'm steeljan at steeljan.com. Keep on shooting those videos, and thanks for watching. Bye.